West Edmonton Mall's Galaxyland Orbiter was the first spinning coaster in Canada, opening in 2007. Manufactured by Gerstlauer, this indoor steel coaster reaches speeds of 48 kilometers an hour and heights of over 13 meters high. Riders are loaded into individual cars which hold up to 4 passengers seated in pairs facing across from each other. After climbing a 45-foot lift hill, the cars travel along a 450-meter track which winds in and around the other Galaxyland attractions, including the Mindbender, the Auto Sled, and the Swing of the Century. Adding to the fun is that each car spins based on the weight distribution of its riders. An even distribution allows for a more gentle spin, but if one side is weighted more heavily, riders can expect a more thrilling ride. Let's take the Galaxyland Orbiter for a spin.